Aloha! Today we're going to build a very practical setup for detecting and responding to a person of interest in a self-service retail location. Nothing exotic, nothing overpriced, just something that actually works. Before we start, here's a quick watch list clip from the FRP YouTube channel so you know what working looks like.
No clouds, no breaches, any camera, instant on-site detection, immediate response.
Wanted number 4324.
We'll start with the most common layout. The entrance door is clearly visible from the counter, within about 10 feet. Here's the entire hardware list. One Android smartphone mounted at the counter, aimed at the entrance. And a personal iPhone or Android phone for remote admin utility, used to manage watch lists and settings remotely. That's it. No terminals, no boxes, no rack mounts. If you want to follow along, open the quick start guide for the FRP hospitality app on frp.ai. On the same page, you'll find a PDF FAQ. Camera placement, lighting, distance, all the boring but important stuff is there. Install FRP Hospitality app from Google Play on the on-site Android device. Open the app and run through the basics. Sign into your Google account, choose the app lease plan, select watchlist mode, set up alert channels, place the phone on the stand and then tap Go. That's your access control kiosk up and running. Now install FRP Hospitality app on the supervisor's phone. Open the app, switch to RAU mode, and sign in using the same Google account as the kiosk. From here, everything is remote. At this point, our watch list is empty, so for demo purposes, we'll play 2 short video clips simulating confirmed incidents from 2 different locations, involving the same individual. For training only, we're using footage from The Dictator with Sacha Baron Cohen. Today, he's our person of interest. No politics, just a familiar face. To build the watch list, we open the detection log in Remote Admin Utility. We pick the cleanest frame and add it as a person of interest profile. Image quality matters. A lot. If the log doesn't give you a good frame, just use any clear photo you already have. We'll also add store staff, so employees and persons of interest are clearly distinguished by color, sound, or voice alerts. That's it. The system is armed and waiting for repeat visits. Let's see what happens.
Victim Admiral General Eladian. Admiral General Eladian. Victim number 2. Admiral General Eladian.
Looks good. Now let's switch to an external RTSP camera. This part matters. Camera height, lighting, and distance make or break recognition. If you want clean results, follow the guidelines in the FAQ on frp.ai. On the supervisor's phone, open Remote Admin Utility. Sign into the kiosk account and open Settings. Select RTSP, enter the camera's RTSP URL and credentials, and test the connection. Everything connects. The kiosk updates instantly. No reboot, no drama. Now we verify detections using the external video feed.
Victim number Admiral General Eladian. Admiral General Eladian. Admiral General Eladian. Admiral General Eladian.
Perfect. The person of interest is recognized, staff follows the alert protocol, and the security response happens exactly as planned. Having real visible control in place makes your location a much less attractive target for repeat incidents. Try FRP Hospitality Watchlist and send us your feedback at hospitality@frp.ai.